Citizens in distress, residents at one senior apartment complex in Wayne tell us they feel like they're melting. For months now, they've had to live with no AC in today's heat and humidity, making it intolerable and downright dangerous. 7 Action News reporter Amira David spoke with some of those residents this afternoon and joins us live tonight from the newsroom. Amira?
Downright dangerous is the way to put it. This is all taking place at Newberry Square Apartments on Michigan Avenue in Wayne. Lots of seniors moving there because it's known to be disability friendly. But now with no AC, they tell me it's making their health issues far, far worse.
I don't have $500 to give an ambulance for some air conditioning.
Winisford Watkins doesn't have the money for a hospital stay, but he may not have a choice. He's a Vietnam War vet who's had a tracheotomy, and he says it's more difficult to breathe now than ever before. Watkins has been living in this building for 10 years, but he says a working air condition has always been more of a privilege than a right. What temperature are you living in? What is it on?
1995.
We're told the AC goes in and out, but it's hitting him and others in this senior complex especially hard, many of them facing the outage in the summer heat despite already existing health issues.
It's harder to sleep. Nasal congestion happens.
I have heart condition, I have asthma, and I have other health issues. And I have been trying to get help forever.
And that last woman you heard there says her AC has been out for almost 2 months now, but oddly some other units in the building do still have AC, so it's unclear what the problem really is. Seniors tell us that they have been told by management that they're simply awaiting special parts to fix the unit, but it's taking an awfully long time. We've reached out to management. We have yet to hear back, but we're going to stay on top of this until we get a resolution for these people. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, they definitely need some help there, so anybody who wants to step up and help them, we'd certainly appreciate that. Thank you, Amira.